Come on, my dear friends, we have studied the exercise portions of Civics Unit 2. Shall we study the exercise portion? Firstly, choose the correct answer. First question, India has adopted the electoral system followed in the option A, USA, option B, United Kingdom, option C, Canada, option D, Russia. Option B, United Kingdom is the correct answer. Second question, the Election Commission of India is a option A, independent body, B, statutory body, C, private body, D, public corporation. Option A, independent body is the correct answer. Third question, which article of the Constitution provides for an election commission? Option A, Article 280, B, Article 315, C, Article 324, D, Article 325. Option C, Article 324 is the correct answer. Fourth question, which part of the Constitution of India says about the Election Commission? Option A, Part 3, Option B, Part 15th, Option C, Part 20, Option D, Part 22. Option B, Part 15 is the correct answer. Fifth question, who accords recognition to various political parties as national or regional parties? Option A, the President, B, the Election Commission, C, Parliament, D, President in consultation with the Election Commission. Option B, Election Commission is the correct answer. Sixth question, assertion. Indian Constitution provides for an independent election commission. Reason, to ensure free and fair elections in the country. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A. Option B, both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option C, A is correct and R is false. Option D, A is false and R is true. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A is the correct answer. Seventh question, Nota was introduced in the year. Option A, 2012, Option B, 2013, Option C, 2014, Option D, 2015. Option C, 2014 is the correct answer. Eighth question, the term pressure groups originated in Option A, USA, Option B, UK, C, USSR, D, India. Option A, USA is the correct answer. Ninth question, assertion. A large number of pressure groups exist in India. Reason, pressure groups are not developed in India to the same extent as in the USA. A option, both A and R are true and R explains A. Both A and R are true and R does not explain A. Option C, A is correct and R is false. Option D, A is false and R is true. Option A, both A and R are true and R explains A is the correct answer. Nextly, filling the blanks. First question, the Election Commission of India is a body of 2 members. Second question, National Voters Day has been celebrated on January 25th. In India, multi-party system is followed. In 2017, there were 7 recognized national parties. 5. Narmada Bachao Andolan is a pressure group. Nextly, match the following. National Party 7. Single party system. China 2 party system. USA pressure groups. Trade union. Nextly, give short answers. First question, explain the electoral system in India. Answer, the electoral system in India has been adopted from the system followed in the United Kingdom. Elections are classified into 2 types, direct elections and indirect elections. Direct elections, people directly vote for the candidates in the fray and elect their representatives. Indirect elections, voters elect their representatives, who in turn elect their representatives. This method of election is followed for the election of President of India. Second short question, give the meaning of a political party. Give a meaning of a political party. Answer, a political party is an organization formed by a group of people with a certain ideology and agenda to contest elections and hold powers in the government. A political party has 3 components: a leader, active members, and followers. Third question, distinguish between 2-party system and a multi-party system. Answer, 2-party system in which only 2 major parties exist. For example, USA and UK. Multi-party system in which there are more than 2 political parties. For example, India, Sri Lanka, France, and Italy. Fourth question, what is a pressure group? Answer, a pressure group is a group of people who are organized actively for promoting and defending their common interests. It is so called as it attempts to bring a change in public policy by exerting pressure on the government. Okay, students, we will meet the next session. Thanks a lot. Thank you.